Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do this long awaited cornrow tutorial. Some people have been dropping a comment for me under my comment section on my short videos to do cornrow tutorial using hair extension. So I decided to do it. I'm sick though, and my voice is like this because I'm having cold. I cough and start, so that's why my voice is like this. So I was sick, but I was still having this too much energy to do. I did I filmed two hair tutorial. So here I'm parting the hair. My hair is already washed. I blow dry it. As you can see that at the beginning I blow dry it. So yeah, I'm trying to part the hair properly. I'm trying to section it. I part it properly. I don't have mirror at the back, so I use my hand to feel the lines if they are straight or not. So I reach out to the coily hair and one pack of expression that I used. And here I'm putting gel, I put red one on my palm to try to slick it because my hair is a virgin hair. Yeah, but it's not that full though. It's a virgin hair, it's thin, but I have enough hair on my head to be able to do braids and do any style I wish to do. Okay, so I'm trying to make the gel. Yeah, that's why I'm using this comb to make it penetrate on my hair. I didn't put too much though on my palm to make it penetrate because I don't want to see that white residue. If you use red one, you know that most times it normally leaves some flaky white stuff on your hair. If you cannot you cannot be able to massage it well into your scalp, into your hair. Yeah, so you can use brush, pass it how many times you want so that the gel will disappear. So I tried starting off the cornrow without hair extension before I go in and add this coily hair because I didn't want the cornrow to be too boring. So I did this hair. I didn't mean to keep the hair, so I didn't do too much on the hair, but it still came out nicely though. So I'm trying to feed in the expression. I tried to feed in the expression. I didn't put too much expression because I just want to do the cornrow tutorial for my viewers, people that have been asking. So I hope they find this in good health and compliments of the season though. I hope they find this in good health and find the tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, leave your thoughts at the comment section. Next time I'll do more better. I didn't pay too much attention to the hair, the line, if it's straight or not. I just want to do something. I just wanted to do the hair, to do something briefly, because I knew I was not going to keep the braids. You can carry it for 1 week or even more. It depends on how you like your hair to look, you understand? So please watch till the end to be able to grab how you do your cornrow. Not a boring cornrow, not a regular boring cornrow, because the end I added coily hair and it came out nicely and beautiful. Okay, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Leave your thoughts at the comment section. So, and I did another tutorial, but I'll be uploading that one pretty soon. I'll try to edit and upload. Okay, so please like, comment and turn on your post notification bell to know when I upload new videos, because now I'm in the mood of making hair tutorial. You're going to be seeing more hair tutorial because I love doing hair. Yeah, I love beauty, fashion. I have another channel, Chioma_tutorials, where I do fashion outfit ideas, how to combine clothes, how to dress properly with the clothes in your wardrobe. Okay, how to look chicy, stylish and elegant. So please go subscribe to that channel as well, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye. Enjoy a beautiful day, guys.
smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves a sunrise glow. Touch so soft, where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft, where the seasons flow. We met where